In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get free rewards and FIFA World Cup Launch Edition. Let's get started. One of the fastest ways to earn rewards is by completing the official FIFA World Cup tournament bracket. Winning matches and progressing through the tournament gives you some of the biggest rewards in the game, including gold, player packs, and valuable team updates. The further you advance, the better the rewards become. You should also check the daily objectives before each gaming session. Open the task list from the main menu on a phone controller and complete the featured challenges such as scoring a certain number of goals, keeping a clean sheet, or finishing special match objectives. Completing these daily missions rewards you with bonus coins and additional progression items. If you enjoy playing with friends, local multiplayer offers extra community rewards as well. Connect multiple players to the same game using their smartphones as controllers, and you'll unlock bonus milestone rewards that increase based on the number of players participating. It's a great way to earn extra rewards while enjoying couch co-op or versus matches together. Some players also may receive special crossover rewards through official promotions connected to other football games or real-world World Cup events. When available, be sure to check the official event announcements for any limited time redemption opportunities, match day bonuses, or fan participation rewards that can grant extra in-game items. Finally, don't forget to participate in official FIFA fan activities during the tournament. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.